When it feels scary to jump, Ian, that is exactly when you jump. Otherwise, you end up staying in the same place your whole life. And that I can't do.
So if you are scary to learn new stuff, don't worry. I have a roadmap for you. Whenever we learn new stuff, for instance data science, Python, AI, the beginners face only one problem, that we do not have any roadmap to follow. I face the same problem as we have maximum number of things, right? Here I have found this website, roadmap.sh, where you can find roadmaps of the trending technologies. Here you can have complete roadmap. For example, what you have to do first or what you have to do second in an optimal way of learning and required resources. For example, if you want to learn Python, the corresponding roadmap will guide you through the topics. To start with the syntax, then variables, arrays, and so on. Through this roadmap, you will have your own learning structure, and then you can follow the topics from YouTube or Insta Reels or from wherever you want. Find the link in the caption and just keep learning.